unbelievable. Look at the way it catches the light. I've never seen anything like it. It's extraordinary. This changes everything.
Yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. And the rarest of them all, purple gold, a revolutionary metal of unparalleled beauty.
The morning ritual begins. Extraction is running smoothly. The samples are ready.
Welcome to our main vault. Everything is 24 karat, pure gold.
And the purple substance?
Our latest discovery. Access granted. Proceed.
The spectrometer reads 99.99% pure gold. The results are conclusive.
Confirming the precise weight, 79.00 grams. Accurate.
All right, these are the 99.99% pure aluminum containers. Copy that. Verify seals. Seals verified and documentation checked. Proceed with caution.
The crystalline structure appears nearly flawless, exhibiting remarkable purity. Confirming the analysis, the hexagonal geometry is perfectly aligned.
Set it to 1100 degrees Celsius. Adjusting now, stand clear. The field is active. The crystal is heating.
The moment of truth. Prepare the crucible. Initiate contact. Success. Al-2 is born.
Temperature verified. 865 Celsius. Perfect for the formation.
It's really purple.
No, that can't be real.
You can see immediately just how delicate and brittle this material is. Notice the care taken as it makes contact with the cushion. Just the slightest pressure could shatter this purple gold. Engaging test sequence. Yeah. Pressure reaching critical. Clean break. Fascinating. Highly crystalline interior structure, distinct fracture plane. The electron microscope reveals the remarkable microstructure of the purple gold. Analyzing the crystalline pattern and grain boundaries now. The purple gold sample tests at 79% gold content.
Confirmed.
Yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. And the rarest of them all, purple gold, a revolutionary metal of unparalleled beauty.
The purple sample weighs. The gold matches. The density is nearly identical. Precision is crucial here. We need just the right amount of adhesive for a perfect bond.
Gently, gently. Ensure complete contact with the setting. The purple gold is ready.
Sure.
Perfect. Set it into the frame with care. Now, the finishing touch.
The depth of color is flawless, and the settings are immaculate. Truly exceptional purple gold.
Excellent. Hold that pose. Move the diffuser slightly to the right. Perfect. That's it. The Al-2 structure, visualized here, showcases a precise fluorite lattice with gold atoms at these vertices.
The Al-2 clearly absorbs in the visible spectrum. Notice the distinct reflection in the purple-violet range.
Notice the metallic sheen in regular light. Now observe the dramatic deep purple fluorescence under UV illumination. Back to metallic, then back to the powerful glow.
The thermal properties are remarkably stable. The purple color is maintained even at peak temperature. Excellent news, Doctor. Excellent. Complete resistance, exactly as theorized, documenting the stability immediately.
The preliminary results are promising. The purple gold sample shows no toxic response.
The potential is immense, from exquisite jewelry to groundbreaking medical devices and even aerospace applications. This purple...
Excellent. The package is secure and meets all premium quality standards.
Precise measurements confirmed. Seal the perimeter immediately. Tracking enabled. Final documentation is prepared. Proceed with transport.